Hello everyone, my name is Mary. I woke up in the morning and I wanted to do something special that I hadn't done before. I took my hiking backpack, packed a sleeping bag, water to rest a little on the road, and decided to go hiking because I had one great idea on this wonderful day. I have been drinking distilled water for many years. It is very useful because the inorganic salts that are in the water are not very useful for our body, and our body cannot process inorganic minerals, and in ordinary water there are a lot of inorganic minerals, for example, rock, salt. It is very harmful to our joints, so always drink clean distilled water. Since I won't tell you yet what I want to do today, I'll take a bucket and a shovel with me, and you can write in the comments if you're interested in what I'll be doing today. I'm curious if you've guessed it yourself or not. The sun is shining outside now and it seems to be very warm. Just in case, I'll take a warm jacket with me, because in the mountains the weather can change at any moment. I've often found myself in an awkward situation when the weather changed abruptly. I hope it will be very useful to me today, so I'll take a warm sweater. What a wonderful weather outside. I love the sun so much. When you go outside and the bright sun shines, it immediately gives you a good mood and a pleasant day that awaits you today, especially in the mountains. I love it when flowers bloom around and everything is green. The grass has blossomed, spring is in full swing, birds are singing and butterflies are flying. On my way, I met a wonderful cat. She was very beautiful and warmed herself in a beautiful clearing in the warm rays of the sun. She really liked it there. Well, suddenly the sky was covered with clouds and a light rain started, but it didn't upset me because it was also very pleasant and spring-like. Have you ever smelled fresh, fragrant rain in the mountains? Well, I found a wonderful place where I was going. I got out my shovel, took a bucket and started digging up clay. Yes, it's real blue clay, which will be very useful to me today, which you will find out later. I hope you have already proven what I will do with it, but it is not so simple. First, you need to get it and then clean it. It's good that I found a puddle. I was able to wash my shovel there a little so as not to clean it additionally. Otherwise, I could have dirtied my backpack. I almost lost my water bottle. Be careful, always keep an eye on your gear. If it had fallen on the soft grass, I would have lost it for sure. It seems the rain is getting heavier. I need to hurry home. This clay turns out to be too good. Look, it got your sneakers dirty, but that's not a problem. It's even for the best. Oh, I got home. It was not an easy walk with such a heavy bucket. First of all, I need to wash the clay off my sneakers because they are too dirty. I often go hiking in the city and my sneakers are often dirty. Write in the comments, maybe you know some life hacks on how to wash sneakers quickly. I would be interested, I would repeat them and also film it on video. Well, let's get down to the easiest part. We need to take a large container and pour the clay in, then fill it well with water so that it is saturated and dissolves large pieces. Do not forget to stir thoroughly because we need the maximum number of large stones to fall into one container. Then the clay needs to settle, preferably the longer the better. You can let it settle for several days, but I will do this a little earlier because it has already settled. The clay has settled and the excess water needs to be drained. clay is a very active material, so I decided to wear gloves to protect my delicate hands. As far as I know, it dries the skin very much. You need to take some kind of fabric in which excess water will be trapped later, so that the clay dries and gives up all the excess water. I take a sieve and pass the clay through it. There is a lot of trash in the clay, stones and branches are found, they all need to be tracked separately and the trash thrown out immediately. I leave the clay to dry for at least a day, maybe 2. The clay should dry out a little. I take great care of my beautiful delicate hands, so I will wear protective gloves. Now the clay needs to be beaten well and brought into the correct shape. We use a string to cut off the piece we need to make my product. We wrap the rest in stretch film so that the clay does not dry out. It is necessary to knead the clay very well and squeeze out all the air from it because the air will interfere with our product. I created my own makeshift clay studio right in the middle of my room. We take a small long bun and glue it directly into the center of the circle. As I read masterclasses on the internet, I saw that for beginners, you need to make the speed no more than 90 to 125 revolutions per minute. What do you think is the right speed for beginner potters? I am very happy for the first time I get excellent products. What do you think it looks like? Please write in the comments. Thank you very much for watching my video to the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also share my video with your friends. It will not be very nice. Can you imagine when my vase dried out? It cracked, but I'm not upset. I probably chose the wrong height for the bottom of the vase. See you all in the next video.